Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can wrap a text or a logo design around any image to make it look realistic, and we'll be using the displacement map tool. And if this is what you're interested in, do well to stay to the end of this video, and without wasting much of your time, let's get started. Okay, I just opened a new file, and what I'm going to do, I'm just going to grab my image, the image I'll be using for this. I'll drag it into Photoshop. I'm just going to adjust it till I'm okay with this. Okay, what I'm going to do next, I'm going to search. I'll click on Ctrl U, and it's going to take me to the hue and saturation. Here, I'm just going to reduce saturation to none, to 0. What I'll do next, I'll go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian blur, and I'm just going to blur it to about 1%, to I think, okay, 1% is okay. I'm just going to blur it, just blur out some details in the photo and hit OK. So what I'll do next, I'll go to File, Save As. Okay, I'm just going to save this as Surface and hit Save. Okay, so what I will do next, I'm going to get the original image that we applied the effect. I need to get the original image. So what I'm going to do is I'll press Ctrl Z twice to go back to the original image. Here we have it. So what I'm going to do next, I'm just going to get this. So you can see this as a text or a logo. So this is just something I created for this example, to make an example. So it can be a text or a logo, anything like that. So I'm just going to be using this. Okay, I think I'm okay with this. So I'll go to what I'll do next, still on this text layer. I'll go to Filter, Distort, Displace. The default figure here is actually 10, but you can play around with the figures to suit your design, to get the actual result you're looking for. You play with it. It could be more than, it could be 10, it could be 10 and above, it could be below 10. So whatever suits you, whatever results, perfect results you're looking for, just play around with the numbers and you get it. For me though, for this design, I'm going to be working with the 5 for the horizontal and vertical scale. I think 5 is okay for me, so I'm just going to hit OK. I'm going to bring up this, and I'll click on the file we saved initially. So I'll just click on it and open it, and we have this. If I zoom in, you can see that the effect is already taking place. So to adjust this, I'll come here, adjust the blend mode. So for this example, I think the linear burn is okay for me. I'm okay with that, so I'm just going to hit OK. Then you can see now that if you zoom in, you can see that the effect is already taking place. To edit it, to further edit it or make it look more realistic, you can either come into the to the opacity and reduce it a little. Okay, can just reduce it a little, or um double click on the layer. Going to bring me to the layer style. Then I'll come down to the underline layer here where my mouse is. I'm just going to alt click and break. It's going to break this thing apart, and with this I'll just take one part of it and adjust it a little. You can see the effect. It's already giving it a highlight. You get, so it's already giving this highlight and it's making it look very realistic. We're going to do another example so you understand it better. So I'm opening another file. Okay, so I'm just going to go and grab another surface. This is a white fabric texture. I'll kind of repeat the same thing I did with our first example. So let's just do it. I'm just going to hit reduce saturation, then come to filter. I'm just going to blur it to 1% and I'll save it. Save as, let's say, surface. Save it as surface 2 and it's okay. Then I'm going to press Ctrl Z to undo whatever effect we made to give us the original image. So I'm just going to bring back the logo. Should I call it a logo or a text? Whatever we are going to be wrapping around the surface. Okay, so let's make our effect. So I'll go to filter again, distort, displace, and I think with this, I think 10 is going to work. I think 10 is going to work for this, which is the default value before I did my adjustments. So I'll hit OK. And I'm going to click on the one that's saved, which is the surface 2, and hit OK. And okay, so I'm just going to go further by changing the blend mode. You can, okay, I think multiply is good, but I'm still gonna work with linear burn. I think linear burn is okay for me, and I'll hit OK. And guys, I just zoomed in and you can see the effect already is looking very like it's actually on this texture, like it's actually on this material. I can go further and reduce the opacity. You can see, guys, and it's looking perfect. So you can actually use this method to showcase your logo design or a text or anything. Just play around with it and till it gives you the desired result, till you're happy with it. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. Thank you very much. If you haven't subscribed, please do well to hit the subscription button, subscribe, like this video. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment section. Thank you so much, guys, and see you in the next video.